Hello guys, eto pahinga tayo, chillax dito sa Heritage Hotel. Paborito kong hotel, ito ang lagi kong pinupuntahan. Thank you my dearest, binilan mo ako ng China Bank na panda. Ang ganda-ganda. Thank you for my drinks. Hello, enjoy your day. Sana masayahan kayo sa aking vlog. Nandito na kami sa Heritage. Ang asawa ko suot niya yung Philippines shirt niya. And then, tinreat niya ako ng aking teddy bear. It's panda. Look at this one, oh. It's so cute. Binili kasi namin yan. Hello, guys. Hello. It's me, B. Manchester B. And my husband is Philippines. This is the panda from Japan.
Japan?
What is the panda?
Panda from China.
China? This is from China. Oh.
Okay din ang pagitan pag ganyan edad, no?
Oh.
Where's your
My
drink?
husband. Just wait. Iinom siya ng Red Horse. Hi, say hi to my vlog, my dearest. Hi.
Hello.
The panda is here. Shanan from China. And from Manchester. Hello.
What's its name?
I gonna make its name Dennis. Dennis.
No.
What?
No, that wouldn't be that. Panda. Peter.
Peter. This is Peter now. Hello, Peter. Peter the panda. Husband, because when you buy this kind of cocktail, you will get the panda one. Thank you. Thank you, my dearest, for your gift. Ang sarap niya. Talaga siyang, ano talaga, pakwan na pakwan. Hi, mga kabagang. Ang sarap ngayon. Ayan o, may panda tayo and then meron tayong juice. Let's drink. Kampay. Kampay. Cheers.
Slanjeva. Slanjeva. Irish.
Yun naman yung asawa ko.